Lodi, ma'am answered. My name is Chinami Ibatan, the province of Capiz. 34 years old, single, high school graduate. My religious is Roman Catholic. There are 3 brothers and 3 sisters. I am 6 childs in my siblings. My work's experience in Saudi, 3-story landed house, 4 bedrooms. There are 4 members in the family. My duties are cleaning, ironing, washing, and watering plant. My work experience in Hong Kong, one condominium house. There are 4 members in the family, 2 adult, 2 elderly. My duties are cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing. I want to send my duties and responsibilities: patient, loyalty, kind, generous, and almost